Hi, today we'll learn how to clean your mouth and your eyes. Very wise. They are very important organs of our body. Eyes, you can see, if your eyes are weak, always affect your memory. So we have to maintain a good eye cleanness and your mouth cleanness. When eyes and mouths are clean, you are more hygienic, you don't get infections. Let's do it how we can do it. And what you have to do, you have to fill as much as water in the mouth. Then you hold the water. Then you put the water, then you clean your eyes with the clean water or running water. Let's do it. Let me fill the mouth with my You can do it 3 times every day and maintain the cleanness of your eyes and the mouth. Be hygienic and disease free. Thank you so much.